Namaste, Vishnu Bhatia. I, GVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic registration of Indian drug product in over areas market. So this topic belongs to the Pharmaceutical Regulatory Affairs for the B Pharm 8th semester. Now we come to the drug registration. Drug regulation system in India, Drug Controller General of India is the head of Central Drug Standard Control Organization, which regulates device and drug in India. The fee of 1500 USD is required for site registration and 1000 USD for registration for each product. Drug Controller General of India is divided into 4 categories. First one is Deputy Drug Controller, Deputy Drug Controller, New Drug, and GCT, FDC, and Pharmacovigilance. Deputy Drug Controller for the medical devices, Deputy Drug Controller for the biological and vaccines, Deputy Drug Controller for the drug. So this is the flow chart of the Drug Controller General of India, and flow chart for the registration is divided into 3 categories. First one is legal document, regulatory document, technical document. Legal document is divided into 2 parts, Form 40, and second one is POA, DI, and D2. Technical document is further divided into 3 parts. First one is PMF, DMF, and label inserts. So the legal requirement, firstly we discuss about the legal document. Documents to be submitted by Indian agent, Form 40. It should be signed and stamped by Indian agent. Documents to be submitted by manufacturer. Power of attorney should be apposite or consulatized from Indian embassy of the country of origin and should be co-jointly signed by the both the parties, that is manufacturer and Indian agent. Schedule DI and D2, they should be signed and stamped by manufacturer, need not to be notarized. Now we come to the regulatory documents. Notarized plant registration certificate and notarized manufacturing and marketing license, notarized free sales certificate, GMP certificate notarized, and COPP notarized. Wholesale license 20B and 21B of Indian agent. Technical document. Plant master file should be included in following points. First one is sketch of the plant and profile of the company, organogram of the company, plant and machinery, hygienic and sanitary measure detail, HAVAC system, man material movement. Device master file should be included in the following points: manufacture process, quality assurance procedure, final product testing report, functionality test protocol and report, sterilization process and validation report, stability data. Post-marketing surveillance, it is the part of device master file should include for the following points: procedure for distribution of records, complaints handling, adverse incident report, and procedure for product recall. Label and inserts. Product label should show the address of drug name, ingredients, manufacturer, importers, address, provisions for import, license number and manufacturing date, expiry date and lot number, and product inserts. Processing procedures. After ensuring all documents correctly as per the requirements of FDA, they are submitted. It generally taken about 2 to 3 months to scrutinize these documents by technical data associates, drug inspectors or CDSCO, and during this period clarification, if any, required by them are answered, and thereafter we get the registration certificate in Form 41. Import processing. After getting the registration certification from CDSCO, the Indian agent is now import the product from the manufacturer. Following documents are further required to get Form 10 port license. Form number 8 and TR Challan ₹1000 for first production, then ₹100 for each additional product. Form number 9 is copy of wholesale license Indian agent notarized and copy of registration and certificate notarized. Timeline for import license. The import Indian agent is not authorized to import the product from foreign manufacturer unless he obtain import license, form number 10, from CDSCO. It generally takes about 1 month to scrutiny these documents by Technical Data Associates, DAG Inspector of CDSCO, and during this period clarification of any are required by the are answered, and therefore the importer gets the import license. For import license application, TR Challan of ₹1000 for first product, then ₹100 for each additional product is required. Thank you. This is the complete session. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, students, and thank you for the listening.